When I first moved abroad, I thought I had everything figured out. My bags were packed, my documents were ready, and my accommodation was sorted, so I felt very prepared. But there was one thing I overlooked: my phone. The moment I landed, reality hit me. No data, no internet, no signal. I couldn't check Google Maps, couldn't contact anyone, and I couldn't even use my banking app to make payments. And then the dreaded message pops up: you are now roaming internationally. And the rates, absolutely ridiculous. At that point, something as simple as getting from the airport to my apartment became very complicated. I stood there thinking, why is something so basic so complicated? And honestly, that's one of the most frustrating parts of relocating that I feel like not enough people talk about. And that's why I want to talk about Holafly plans, because if I had these back then, I feel like my entire experience would have been so much better. So here's what makes it different. Holafly plan is not just another SIM card. It's a global eSIM subscription, which means instead of buying a new SIM every time you travel or move to a new country, all you really have to do is install one digital SIM on your phone, and that's it. No swapping tiny SIM cards, no running around looking for SIM shops, and no struggling to explain what you need in a different language. Everything is already on your phone and ready to go. Now, let me break it down in a very simple way. They have two main plans. There's the unlimited plan, which is perfect if you use your phone a lot, streaming, working, uploading, everything. Then there's the light plan, which gives you 25 gigabyte of data. That one is great if you're mostly connected to the Wi-Fi and just need data on the go. Both plans come with hotspot access, which is actually a lifesaver, because whether you're working remotely, studying, or even helping a friend connect, you can just share your internet instantly. But here's the part that actually made me go, this is actually smart. It works in over 160 destinations worldwide. Imagine this: you move to Germany and you suddenly decide you want to take a quick trip to some of the other European countries within the region, or maybe you decide to visit home or go somewhere else. You do not have to change anything. Your connection follows you. And that's not even the most exciting part. If you've ever traveled abroad before, then you would understand this next part instantly. With the unlimited plan, you also get a local phone number in the US, UK, or even Canada to receive SMS. Trust me, this is a big deal, because once you arrive in a new country, everything depends on that. Your bank needs it for OTP, app needs it for verification, and a lot of services require it for registration. Without a local number, you're constantly stuck, and that's not good. You can't sign up for things, you can't verify your account. Everything just becomes harder than it should be. Now, another feature I personally love is the always on feature. And this is honestly genius. Even if you cancel or pause your subscription, you still get 1 gigabyte of data every single month. So my digital nomads and my travel buddies, imagine landing somewhere new again and no internet, no data, no plan yet, but you still have enough data to order an Uber, check directions, message someone, or handle something very urgent. It's like having a backup plan built into your phone, and that peace of mind, you really can't put a price on it. And let's talk about the setup, because I know anything technical can feel a bit overwhelming. But this is the easiest part. Simply scan the QR code or simply search for the Holafly app on your App Store or Play Store. Next, open the Holafly app and select the plan that works best for you. If you're going with a monthly plan, you can choose between the unlimited or the light plan. Enter your email address, country of residence, and phone number. To save some money, enter the discount code Ainejohn to get 10% off for the first 12 months. Check the terms and condition box, hit pay, and select your preferred payment method. Now, step 2 is the activation and login. Once your purchase is complete, it's time to activate your plan. Head back to the home page and tap the profile icon to log in. Use the same email address you used for the purchase, hit continue, and enter the verification code sent to your inbox. Step 3. Installation. Now return to the home page and tap the My eSIM icon. Just follow the simple on-screen instructions to install your new eSIM onto your device. And that's it. Easy, simple, straight to the point. Your Holafly plans become active the very moment you purchase it. Next, simply go to your phone settings, select cellular, and you'll see your new eSIM. It might be labeled as secondary, but don't worry. All you need to do is tap on it to rename it so it's easy for you to identify. Then switch it on and set it as your primary data source. And voila! You're officially connected. Now, in case you ever get stuck, there is a 24/7 customer support always available to help you. Honestly, Holafly plans remove stress, and it is 100% flexible, which means that you can cancel whenever you want. I've got an amazing discount for you. When you use my discount code Ainejohn for the Holafly plan, you get 10% off when you sign up using my link for the first 12 months. How exciting is that? I know. So if you're planning to travel soon, relocate permanently, or for studies, you've seriously got to learn from my experience. Do not wait until you've landed to figure things out, all right? So stop stressing about roaming and start living. All you simply need to do is check out the link in the pinned comment down below, or simply click the link in the description box to get connected. Trust me, you'll thank yourself later.